That's it, you know. Look at trying to do it. That's what that guy done for YouTube. I don't know if this wire is a problem. Because this one are for the grass to enter, I think so.
Daddy, I think we just have to do this.
I'm not touching it yet. I'm not touching it yet.
After we press it, we have to do this.
So, the fishing is correct. Hey, leave there.
What?
Excuse.
The fishing on this battery is correct.
Maybe we have to put this and then we have to do that.
You want to show Gary?
Oh, I see. It's done back one now.
I tell you, say you know do am for me.
Daddy,
Hey. It's not just not here. Leave there now. Go.
I don't think so. The thing they on. They on, they make noise. And why you call they drum when you know say they on? Why they push them? How long are you supposed to charge this thing?
If I've charged it for a couple of hours now.
Yeah, carry and go there now. Why you want to collect the car? You say that's done lap well. Check out whether I lap well. Maybe they try to pick, but you never lap well.
Nelly did it. Daddy, I think you have to keep on pressing that just for a moment.
They spoil them, man. Carry and come outside and they conclude until they conclude first.